of Death, 11:11.
Kung alam ko lang, paulit-ulit ko na sanang sinabi sa'yo na mahal kita.
A man whose loves remain unfinished.
Ella!
Hindi ako si Ella.
A woman whose life is yet to unfold.
Ito na nga ang layo na ng narating ko.
I have a chance to make you and Papa proud again.
One place will bring them together.
It is said that this church was built as an atonement for the citizens. When finished, it will be the world's most beautiful apology. Miss, wag! Magiging okay din ng lahat.
Baka lang kasi naalala mo si Ella sa kanya, kaya mo siya tinutulungan.
You looked inside my fantasies and made each one
Ang layo, tita.
true.
Konting hirap, suko agad. Masabihan ng konti, aalis. Kapag papalpak, tatakas. Alam mo, Mia, hindi ka talaga pwede sa ibang bansa. Ang hina-hina mo.
One by one
Pareho lang tayo.
since you took
Gusto ko gumanda yung buhay ko.
and I know
Gusto ko na hindi magtapos yung buhay ko dahil sa isang pagkakamali.
me again.
Bayaran mo na lang ako kapag nakaluwag ka.
I know I'll never
Gracias.
love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. And I know I'll never
Alam mo ikaw, gusto mo lang talagang halikan kita.
and hold on,
Baka ikaw ang gustong mapahalik sa akin, Mia.
hold on.
But one day will keep them apart.
Sino si Ella at bakit ka nandito sa Barcelona?
Baka sakaling tumigil na ang walang katapusang sana. Para hindi niya makalimutan na mahal ko siya.
Will the love they find be enough to let their story begin?
Ang karapatan mo na pagharapin kami ng babaeng yun.
Thought it will help you move on
All from what?
from everything that's keeping you from moving on.
Stop acting like you know my pain. Stop acting like you own it. Hindi ikaw si Ella, and you will never be Ella.
Star Cinema proudly presents an Olivia M. Lamasan film, starring Sofia Skibowski and Charles Riveno.
Mia, mahal kita.
You don't have to.
Huwag mo kong mahalin dahil mahal kita. Mahalin mo ko dahil mahal mo ako.
Never
Because that is what I
this
deserve.
way again.